welcome back to our channel. We're Stefano and Sasha. We've been up to a lot lately, so we're going to fill you in. Last year, we self-converted a shuttle bus and traveled to Baja, California. Then we swapped that for a truck camper, and we spent 4 months driving down to Costa Rica and back, where we rescued our beautiful new puppy, Nala. Now we're on to a new project. We are converting this ambulance into a full-time home on wheels. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is the final episode of our van build. We're gonna show you how we finished the toilet, the kitchen, and all the decor before taking the van on its first surf trip.
Hopefully today is the final day of the build. We are going to finish the upper cabinets today, put all the doors on and mount them. We are going to finish the final wall, which we've been procrastinating as well. And I think that's it. Is that it?
Toilet?
And the toilet. And we're going to, Stefano's going to
Got it in your hand.
And put it on its drawer. So let's get this over with. We just still have to be careful with them.
This is our beautiful cabinet door that we're gonna put on finally, and we have to do the last one here. This is the trim still, and then we can put them on. Are you excited, baby?
Find out what's behind door number 1. You have won
The jackpot! You're a millionaire!
Sorry, wrong door. That was the wrong door.
Alright, so now that the cabinets are ready, we are gonna mount it on the wall. So we have 2 supports.
Metal supports
that will support like the weight, and it goes straight to metal. And then along here there is like a 2x2, which we're going to secure the base. So it's gonna have like 2, 4, probably 5 supports, and we could also screw this to here, but this wall is kind of like thin, so it won't make a difference. But yeah, I think this is enough. So let's get into it. Little update of the last few touch up in the van. We honestly would like to finish by tomorrow, but I think it's a little bit like unachievable. Oh yeah, ice shooting. We have no major jobs, but lots of like bits and pieces to fix up, and so I don't think we're gonna be able to finish by tomorrow, but I show you what we have achieved today. The cabinet is on. We are waiting for the wood cracker, wood gap filler to dry so we can paint it. I'm working right now on the toilet. So the toilet is on the slides, and I've done this. So it slides out and it tucks in again when it's not needed. And we're gonna put a little curtain here so it's kind of like invisible. Right now I'm working on this wall. It's ready to be fitted there. I'm just working on the side walls because we are going to have the connection for the AC. This is only AC. It's a big mass of cables, but yeah, we couldn't do any better. And this is gonna be hidden or behind this wall. Tomorrow we're gonna put, I'll show you. Tomorrow we are going to put up the last cabinet. We are putting up this door. Sasha made the trim, but she didn't account for the hinges on the side. So I don't know, we're gonna have to cut a piece from here to here for the hinges to go in. If not, we're gonna have to remake the whole piece. Hopefully not, because I don't wanna tell her that, even though it was her mistake. And yeah, we're gonna have to finish the trim up here and the trim up here, and yeah, definitely we got lots of other things to do there. Right now I forgot about it. The outdoor water heater arrived today and the connection are good, so that's ready to go. I think we're just gonna leave it here in the box, and then whenever people want to use it, they're just going to hook it on one of the door and have a shower, outdoor shower. We put up the last wall, this one up here. We're just gonna have to paint it again, and yeah, I think we are. That's it. Good morning, guys. This is supposed to be our last day of the building. I honestly don't think it will be. There is still too many things to do, but we are putting up this cabinet, which is the last building construction project, and all the rest is gonna be all touch-ups and finish little project. So let's get into it. There are too many cables behind this wall, and I can't really make it go flush with the wall. So what I'm gonna do, I need to pull that thing out and cut the 2x1 that I put as a support a little bit more in order for the wall to go flat on the wall. So let's do that one more time. Alright, much better now. It's almost perfect. It's not 100% perfect, but nothing is perfect anyway. So this is good to go. I'm just gonna secure it on the top and the bottom, and then I'm working on the side wall, and then I'm gonna work on this big wall, which we're just gonna put a piece of wood, paint it, and put some hooks so people can hang stuff. It's a sad day today for me. I think it's never sure, but I think this is the last day
hope so.
that we go around Depot.
Oh, poor Stefano.
I'm so sad. After a morning of driving around, I think we bought everything that we need.
Of course we didn't.
We went to IKEA and bought some key shelf for this wall, Then we got a curtain rod for the back wall. And what else? We went to Home Depot to get hooks and magnets.
Final paint stuff.
So now we go with another coat of painting around here. And then we put the last cabinet finally. And then we start to work with the other pieces. Are you painting or going for a snorkeling? So the current situation is we are doing 600 jobs at the same time. It feels like we are on a television program when you have a timeline. So we are priming, we are building, we are screwing, we are painting there, we are sanding. Like, what's the jackpot? What are we gonna win?
Hopefully some money.
Peace. We just want peace. Give us peace. Good morning, guys. Today is most likely the last building day. Yesterday we went twice to Home Depot, even though we say it was last time to Home Depot. And guess how many? We went twice.
But not anymore. We're done at Home Depot.
Hopefully, you never know.
We just need to go to the fabric store.
But yeah, we're probably gonna finish everything today and just leave the decor. We're waiting for some cushion covers and curtains, maybe tomorrow or by the end of the week anyway.
All the hard stuff. That decor stuff is easy. We want to get all the hard labor stuff done so we can start planning our Burning Man outfits.
Finally. So we have coffee made by the barista
Very
here.
strong coffee.
Super strong.
We're
But
amped.
yeah, the good thing is they're gonna make us work non-stop for 6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours. Little update. This side, the toilet side, is finished. Everything is working. We just need to put the little curtain here. The switches for the rear AC, it's on. This is fixed. This Sasha has to remake the door because the door that she made was like really thin wood, so it was kind of like a little bit flimsy. Cabinets are good. We just need to put the magnets on that one or fix the magnets. There's gonna be, this is our door for the cooktop bench. We're gonna put a little shelf here, and we are going to put like a piece of wood with some hangers here. We're going to do the trim to cover the roof. And all we have to do left is the curtain over there, and I think we should be done. Or we have to put some hooks here, and I think we are done. And the backsplash. So a little bits and pieces to do, but it's not like a major job. So yeah, we're definitely gonna finish today. No excuses. No excuses. While Sasha is working on the backsplash in the kitchen, I'm working on this little hanger rack that we are going to put on this side of the bed. We didn't want to put another cabinet just because we thought it would be like too busy. So this is another option to storage some toiletry or some other miscellaneous charger, phone charger stuff. So we went with this option, which is gonna keep the van a little bit more spacious and still brighter, and super fancy.
Is it?
Yes. Also, how's that position? Are you doing Pilates or you do?
One more.
Looking good, baby. Do you like that?
I do.
It's actually nice.
Yeah, I wasn't convinced on the gray, but I actually do really like it. Good choosing, baby.
The backsplash was actually a nice pick from Stefano. He helped it give it a nice, clean and more stylish design. Another day has gone, and we are probably 99.9% finished with the building. Little update about today. So we installed this shelf here. We installed this shelf behind me. We did the backsplash, which is all good. The sink has been fixed and it's got silicone. And what else? We only have to do one last thing, which is putting the trim up here. and after that we should be done. Thank God. Tomorrow afternoon we're probably gonna take the van to Dana Point near Los Angeles, just like enjoy it for a bit before selling it. And then I think probably Friday or Saturday we'll put it on sale, and hopefully we get a good response and we can see it going pretty fast. That's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week episode. We're gonna do a full van tour of our beautiful ambulance. Ciao, ciao.